Okay, so this video is about Playposit. So I'll quickly run through how to sign up to Playposit and then some of the functionalities of the program. So all I've done here is gone to www.playposit.com, and for you guys, if you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. So you'll simply click here, sign up. Now, if you have any of these accounts, it's just a one-click sign-on, which is excellent. Now, I have a Google account, so for me it's a one-click sign-on. But if you don't, that's not a worry. Just click I am an instructor, enter your details here, click submit and follow the prompts. But because I already have an account, I'm just going to quickly log in here. One click sign on for me. And then once you've logged in, you'll come to a screen that looks somewhat like this, although yours will clearly have different numbers here and there shouldn't be any videos here just yet. This is what it'll look like. And basically in Playposit, a bulb is what they refer to as a video that you've made interactive. So anytime we refer to a bulb, that's something you've created and added questions to. But basically, if you're about to create an interactive video, you would click Design. And then we type in here a video URL. So I have just created a video for you guys about signing up to YouTube. So we could quite easily put that URL in there. And I'm going to click on Continue. Yep, that's right. So you just check it, the little screen capture there. That is definitely the right video. Give it a title. So creating a YouTube account. Add some learning objectives. At this point we're just going to write dots because that's not the point of today. What grade levels are these for? Now I'm going to say it's for professional development. What subject is it? At this point it doesn't really matter, so I'm going to click Other. Subtopic. Now it's usually important that you do click something here. It will prompt you if you don't select any of those. Do I want to allow you to be able to rewind during questions? Today I'm going to say no. Begin the build. So this will take you to a separate screen where you'll be able to pause your video at any point and add in questions. If you're in the free version, you'll have a limited type of question. If you are on, if you're on the paid for version, it gives you a larger array of questions.
Hi guys, today's video is about signing up to YouTube, so being able to create your own YouTube channel.
Okay, I'm going to insert a question there. So basically what I do is down here at this little grid, I just hover over it. I've got a few options there. I want to add a question, so I'm just going to click on Add Question. What type of question do I want to add? I'm going to add a multiple choice question, so it's all very self-explanatory. You can't break this thing. If you do, I'd be super impressed. So what am I going to ask? What is the topic of my video today? And then I can add answers here. YouTube, Playposit, whatever you want to write here. Blah. Blah. And then you just select the correct one because that way it will self-mark if it's a multi-choice and click on Save. So you can see now, if I was to play the video a little further, this purple line will still exist and that just tells me where I've put questions. You can hover over them at any time and your questions will appear here. Now later on, so say I'm finished, that's all I want to do. I just need to click on, you can either preview what you've done or you can share it straight away. So I'm going to say I'm done, I don't want to look at it again, I'm going to share that straight away. You can either share the URL directly, you can embed it into something, or you can start to assign it to students. So what we're going to do today, hold on, so I'm going to actually share it to a class that I've already got. So what we're going to do is just click Finish, so that it knows that my bulb's finished. Here it comes up over here in my list. For you, if this is your first video, it'll be the only thing. And you just click on Assign. So if you've already set up a class in Playposit, you can simply assign it, and I might assign it to my Year 9 PE class. Click Assign. I can choose a date, and then close, and then that will appear in their feed. And I'm not going to do that because they're going to be a bit confused about that video. But once I have done that, just close that, save out of that, I can then monitor responses. So if I click on monitor, I can go to whatever classes I've got. So for Year 9 PE, I'm not going to look at the one that I just did because I did not assign it in the end. We might have a look at heart anatomy and blood flow. I just click on that video, and here you'll get a question by question breakdown. So I can hover over these things and it gives me some information. 19 of the class got it correct, no one got it incorrect, none were ungraded. So that was a multi-choice that corrected itself. This one was a multi-choice that corrected itself, and I can see the question there. Everyone got that correct. And here I've got 4 correct, in a sense, I suppose, 13 ungraded. So if I go and look at that a bit further, I can scroll down here. I've got a class list. I can see exactly what they've done there. So I can see that for question 1, Layla got that correct, and then I gave her a 1 out of 3 for an extended response. If I go down here further, orange means I haven't graded it yet. So if I look at Mia, I can head across, click on that. This is her response. It is part of the cardiovascular system which carries oxygenated blood away from the heart and body, and deoxygenated blood back to the heart. The question was, what is systemic circulation? Now I'm fairly impressed with that. I'll give her a 2, and then I can continue on. So that's graded her 2 out of 3. So I can monitor who's done it, who's not done it, how well they understand before they get into class. Now I'll do how to assign a class in a separate video, but at this point, that's Playposit in a nutshell. Go and have a play.